Hello friends. In today's demanding digitalized solutions world, SMBs or SMEs, small and medium enterprises, though they would like to implement the best solutions, they are unable to do it. And that's why they have been looking at some cloud-based solutions. PiLog's lean master data governance solution, which is available on pilogcloud.com, can actually address all those problems that you are facing. And this is actually a one-stop solution for anything to do with the master data governance or master data practice or master data harmonization. So SMEs, you have good news. You can now easily subscribe to one or many of the services that are available on pilogcloud.com. So subscribe to pilogcloud.com, learn more and see how you can transform your enterprises digitally with these world-class solutions. Thank you.